How to make him want to stay with you even after having sex. I know, ladies, this video is very important for you because every time you meet a guy, the connection is amazing. And after the intimacy, you feel that this guy is leaving you, is becoming more distant. He's not the same anymore. And to be honest with you, I have never thought that I would do a video about this topic. But becoming a relationship expert since 2007, I've seen this situation a lot. So that's why you're here. You want to know, what can you say? What can you do? How can you maintain his attention, his love, even after being intimate with him? And this is a very, very important question. So yes, we have seen scientifically that men love to chase. If you're here on my channel, you know that I talk about it in almost every single video. So men love to chase, they love to put you on a pedestal, and they want the intimacy. The problem is, once they reach their goal, what's the next step? And that's why I'm here as your love coach to tell you this is no game. This is human psychology. And if you can understand the psychology of men, then you know how to be happy in your love life. So, number one, yes, men tend to change their behavior after being intimate. Number two, you tend to develop some fears because you got bad experience in the past, because you have been hurt, because you don't know how to behave. You will develop some fears. You will fear that he won't respond to you. You will fear that he won't commit to you. You will also fear that he will take you for granted. And all of this will create a bad cocktail in the sense that you won't be confident. He won't put you on a pedestal. This will create a distance between the two of you. And that leads usually to a breakup. So I'm here today because I want to tell you what to do. And I have three examples that you should say to a guy to maintain his attention. So it's basically three phrases that will keep you on his mind. And this is something that I call, we will plant a seed. When we plant a seed, we know that he can remember you, he can put you on a pedestal, and that he will be serious for a real relationship. So, phrase number one. It was wonderful. I feel we can have a lot of fun together. If we show that the intimacy was really great, that you feel confident, that you're happy about it, and you show that the next time it will be even better, that's when you make this guy consider that you're different. Instead of being scared to lose him, you will show him that this is just the beginning. So let me repeat. It was wonderful. I feel we can have a lot of fun together. It shows that you have a deep connection, even in the sex or the intimacy. So that was the example number one. Example number two. When we will discover each other, it will be only fire. It will be amazing. The idea is the same. We show that this is just the beginning. When we will discover what we like, what we want, what are our fantasy, then we will have something even more exciting, even better. We will have a fireworks of love and intimacy. Imagine saying this to a guy. He won't leave you. He won't become distant, because for him, it shows that he can have even more from you. It's just the beginning of something. And example number three, if you can surprise me, you will get even more from me. This is to challenge him. If you can surprise me next time, you will get even more from me. Meaning, I will take care of you. I will show you who I am. I will show you what kind of woman I am. Meaning, I will be able to make you feel some excitement and to make you feel special. So, the reason why we want to use these three phrases, it's because that's the only way You maintain his excitement, his love, his attention towards you. Instead of taking you for granted, this would be the opposite. So if you ask me, Alex, does it work? Yes. I've coached so many women from all over the world, but you have to use it in a confident way. You should not have a voice that will be shaky. You should not be scared. Please tell me that we will see each other because we will have a lot of fun. No, that is being needy, being available. That is demeaning your value as well. So I understand there is a lot of stress, but if you get the idea of flirting, exciting, planting a seed, this guy will be able to connect with you. Now, a good way also to continue to make him want to see you after sex is to plan another date and say, hey, you know what? Well, it was great. Next time I would love to go to this event. I would love to do this. I would love to do that. When are you free? You try to plan the next date so you know that you will be able to see each other. You know also that he will put some work, he will invest some time in your relationship. That's just one of the other tips that I wanted to change and to tell you, because the moment you start to challenge a guy, he feels that you're special. And we don't need a lot to fall in love. We don't need a lot to consider you, ladies. We just need to feel that you will be so different that we can brag to our friends saying, hey, look at my girl. That's who you are. That's why I'm always using humor and fun and emotions to really make any guy fall in love with you. Now, the reality is a little bit different because you need to know how to use and how to learn the emotional communication. Everything that I share to you when it comes to flirting and challenging, it's creating emotions in your guy's mind. And so I feel that I'm the only one out there as a relationship expert to really work on it and to teach you how can you make him feel some emotions. If you want to go further with me, I have created an amazing video. It's a private video. It's not on the website, not on this YouTube channel. You would have to enter your email, but you would have access to a very special video where I teach you how to use the emotional communication. This is in the description box below. Click on it and open your ears because you will learn a lot on how to get his attention and how to make him love you. On my side, I will see you soon, but remember, if you want some private coaching, you will have to apply. It's the link in the description box, but you will have a talk with my success manager. It's the guy that will tell you, how can we assist you? What is the best for your situation? Because we do case by case. It is a very personalized. So I want you to know that we are close to you and we want to help you. So everything is in the description box below. Remember to smash the like button. Remember to subscribe, join this community so I can really assist you with all my videos. I will see you soon, ladies. Take care of yourself.